In today's class, we will discuss about shortcut method 4 for hybridization. This is fourth shortcut method, group number method. In this group number method, we need to sum all the group numbers of all the atoms in the given molecule. For example, if we will get the total resultant valence electronic number, if it is between 2 to 8 electrons, that value we will divide with 2. Next, if the total resultant number between 9 to 56, we will do division with 8. If it is above 57, we will division with 18. Okay, so here hybridization H equals to Q plus R. So Q means what? Quotient, and R means remainder. So quotient plus remainder. So if you do, we will get some value. That value we will consider its resultant value. If the resultant value is 2, SP. If the resultant number is 3, SP2. If it is 4, SP3. 5, SP3D. 6, SP3D2. 7, SP3D3. Okay, so now we will do some examples. CH4, sum of all the group numbers of all the atoms. So total number of carbons 1 into carbon group number is 4 plus total number of hydrogen atoms are 4 into hydrogen group number is 1. 1 into 4, 4 plus 4 into 1, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. So, if the valence electrons between 2 to 8, we will divide that value with 2. 2. How many times? 4 times. 2, 4, 8. So, 8, here the remainder is 0. Now, here it is quotient and this one is remainder. Hybridization H equals to quotient value 4 plus remainder value 0. So now this is what? 4 plus 0, 4. 4 means what? sp3 hybridization. 4 means sp3 hybridization. NH3 molecule. Total number of nitrogen atoms are 1. 1 into nitrogen group number is 5 plus, okay, total number of hydrogen atoms are 3 into hydrogen group number is 1. 1 into 5, 5 plus 3 into 1, 3. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 electrons are available. So then, these 8 electrons are division with 2. So if the valence electrons between 2 to 8, that is division with 2. So now here, 8. We need to take 2. So how many times we need to cancel? 4 times. 2, 4, 8. So the remainder is 0. So now here, H equals to Q plus R. So until remainder we will get either 0 or 1, we will continue the division process. So here quotient value 4 plus 0, 4. 4 means what? sp3 hybridization. Next. NF3, nitrogen trifluoride. First, total number of nitrogen atoms 1. 1 into nitrogen group number 5 plus total number of fluorine atoms are 3 into what is the group number of fluorine? 7. 1 into 5, 5 plus 3 into 7, 21. 5 plus 21. Total now here it is what? 26. That available valence electrons are 26. If the valence electrons number 2 to 8, we will division with 2. If it is 9. So this should be under comes to 9 to 56 category. So 9 to 56 if it is there, then this is division with 8. Here we got 26. So now 26 we will division with 8. So how many times we need to cancel? 3 times. 24. 8 3s are 24. So now the resultant or remainder is what? 6. Here 4. 2. 2. Now this is 2. But remainder until we will get either 1 or 0, we will do the process. So again we need to check this remainder value is what? More than 1 is there. So then this valence electrons we can calculate according to again 2 to 8. So the remainder value here 2. So again we will division with 2. 2 ones 2. So the remainder is 0. So now hybridization H equals to how many quotient here? This is Q1, quotient 1, and this is quotient 2. So quotient 1 3 plus quotient 1 1, remainder is 0. 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 0 4 only. So now the resultant value 4. 4 means what? sp3 hybridization. H2O. Total number of hydrogens 2. Hydrogen group number 1 plus oxygen total number 1 into oxygen group number 6 equals to 2 into 1 to 1 2 plus 1 into 6 6 2 plus 6 8. Okay, if the valence electronic number or group number of electrons 8 means, so we will division with 2. 2 fours 8 0. 4 plus 0 4. 4 means sp3 hybridization. Okay. AlCl3, aluminum trichloride. Total aluminum 1 into aluminum group number 3 plus chlorine total number 3 into its a group number 7. 1 into 3 plus 3 into 7 21 equals to 24. The available valence electrons 24. So 24 means what? We will division with 8. Okay, so how many times cancelled? 3 times. 0. 3 plus 0. SnCl2. Total number 1. It's a group number 4 plus total number 2. It's a group number 7. 1 into 4, 4 plus 2 into 7, 14. If it is 18 means division with 8. So how many times? 2 times. 8 to 16. So now here 2. So until we will get either 0 or 1 remainder, we will do the process. So again we will do division with 2. So 2 ones 2. So the remainder is 0. Total H equals to 2 plus 1 plus 0. 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 0 3 only. So now 3 means what? sp2 hybridization. Next. POCl3. Phosphorus total number 1 into group number 5 plus total number of oxygen atoms are 1, group number of oxygen 6, total number of chlorines 3 into chlorine group number is 7, 5 into 5, 1 into 6, 3 into 7, 21 plus 5, 6, 27, 27 plus 5, 32. 32. So, if the number of electrons between 2 to 8, division with 2, if it is 9 to 56, 8. 32. So, now we will division with 8. How many times cancelled? 8 into 4 times. So, the remainder is 0. So, what is the hybridization? 4 plus 0 equals to 4. 4 means sp3 hybridization. Okay. Br bromine 7th group element, fluorine also 7th group element. For that directly we can take total 4. 4 into 7. So what is the resultant value? 28. So if it is 28 means division with 8. Okay. So how many times? 3 times. 24. Next here 4. If the remainder is 0 or 1, we can stop. If it is not 0 or 1, then we will do the process. So again we will division with 2. So how many times need to cancel? 2 times. 2 2's 4. So now here 0. Remainder value, total remainder 0 we will get. So quotient 3 plus 2 plus 0. So 3 plus 2 plus 0, 5. 5 means sp3 dehybridization. 3O plus total number of hydrogen atoms are 3. Hydrogen group number 1 plus total number of oxygen atoms are 1. Oxygen group number 6. Next, here 1 unit of positive charge is there. So 1 unit of positive charge which indicates what? Loss of electron. So loss of electron means -1 we will indicate. So 3 into 1, 3 plus 1 into 6, 6 minus 1. So 3 plus 6, 9. 9 minus 1, 8. If the valence electronic number 8 means what? We will division with 2. 2, 4, 8. So 4 plus 0, 4. 4 means sp3 hybridization. Next. ICl2 plus. iodine, chlorine. So 3 atoms are belongs to same group. Then we need to take 3 into 7. So total value 21. 21 plus 1 which indicates minus 1. So elimination of 1 electron. So 21 minus 1, 20. So here 20 means what? We will division with 8. So here 2 times 16. So now here we got 4. Again we need to division with 2. 2 times 0. So this is what? 2 plus 0. 4. 4 means sp3 hybridization. XeFi plus xenon group number 8 plus fluorine group number 7. Total number of atoms are 5. So total 7 into 5, 35 minus plus 1 indicates loss of 1 electron. So total here 35 plus 8. 35 plus 8 means what? 43 minus 1, 42. So if the valence electronic number 42 means division with 8. 8 5 times. Okay, so here 2. Again we will do with 2. 2 ones 2. So then 5 plus 1 6. 6 plus 0 6 only. So 6 means what? sp3 d2 hybridization. SO4 2 minus sulfate. Total sulfur atoms are 1. Group number of sulfur 6 plus total oxygens are 4. Group number of oxygen 6th group element. So 24 plus minus 2 indicates addition of 2 electrons. Total 24 plus 6 30. 30 plus 2 32. If it is between 9 to 56, division with 8. 4 plus 0 4. sp3 hybridization. PO4 minus 3 phosphate anion. Phosphorus group number 5th group plus oxygen group number 6th group. So oxygen total number 4. 4 into 6 24 plus 3 which indicates addition of 3 electrons. So total 24 plus 5 29. 29 plus 3 32. So here 32 means what? Division with 8. 8 4 times 32. So 4 plus 0. Again sp3 hybridization. CO3 2 minus carbon group number 4 plus oxygen group number 6 and total number of oxygen atoms are 3. So 6 into 3 18 plus 2 minus 2 which indicates addition of 2 electrons. So 4 plus 18 22. 22 plus 2 24. Valence electronic number 24. So we will division with 8. 3 plus 0 3. So 3 means what? sp2 hybridization. So like that we need to do one by one. I3 minus total number of atoms 3. All 3 atoms belongs to same group number. 3 into 7 minus 1 which indicates addition of 1 electron. So here 3 into 7, 21 plus 1, 22. 22 by 8. So here 16. Okay. So here 6. Now remainder should be greater than 1. Again we will do division with 2. If it is 2 to 8, between 2 to 8, division with 2. So here 3 times. 0. 2 plus 3 plus 0. 5. 5 means sp3 dehybridization.